So welcome back guys. Our next topic is limited contention protocols. Okay, so this limited contention protocols is working with time slot mechanism. Okay, like you have seen in slotted aloha, you have to send the frames in time slots, and whenever you want to transmit the data you have to start the transmission at the starting of the time slot. So I think it is very important to remember this point. So transmission of data is allowed at the starting of the time slot only, and more importantly here all the stations will be organized in a binary tree format, and the mechanism which will be implemented in this particular contention protocol is adaptive tree mechanism. Okay na, adaptive tree ఈ వర్డ్ పెట్టుకోండి. సో దిస్ విల్ కమ్ ఇన్ టు పిక్చర్, అడాప్టివ్ ట్రీ విల్ కమ్ ఇన్ టు పిక్చర్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ స్టేషన్స్ like this, if you have station A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, so all these stations are there and they want to transmit their data. Now we will see slot by slot how this working mechanism will work. Okay, as you know, I'll try to explain in a better way to understand the topic. So as I said, binary tree, let's construct the tree from these list of stations. So I'm going like this and I'm connecting these two nodes again, and I'm connecting these two nodes again. So assume that this is my root node and all the stations are leaves. So assume that all the stations are leaves. So how this adaptive tree works, let's understand. For example, if you want to transmit the data, so out of the whole, let us assume A wants to transmit the data, D wants to transmit the data, F wants to transmit the data, and G wants to transmit the data. Out of the 8 stations available, only these 4 stations wants to transmit the data. So how they'll get opportunity and which station will transmit its data in which slot? Let's see that. So in slot 0, if all the stations are allowed to transmit the data here, okay, I am looking from this end. If in this slot, assume that this is slot 0. In slot 0, if I allow all these stations to transmit the data, then definitely you will get collision. Okay, so slot 0 is collision slot, so this slot cannot be used. So what will happen is, if slot 0 is not allowed for communication, then slot 1 will come. I'll give the node numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so assume that. So here, if this slot didn't work out, I'll come to this way. Okay, now what is a working mechanism of this limited contention protocol is, if all the stations tries to transmit the data and if collision occurs, then these stations will be divided equally into two halves. You can see the division. These stations will be divided equally into two halves, and one particular half, we call it as a group, will be allowed to transmit the data. Okay, so as per the discussion, and now slot 1 will come into picture. When I say slot 1, all these will come into picture. The stations under 2, that means A, B, C, D, and again there is a collision because A wants to transmit the data and D wants to transmit the data, so collision occurs again. So slot 1 is also a collision slot. Then comes into the picture which is slot 2. Okay, now in slot 2, what I said, see here you want to transmit the data between the stations, collision हो गया क्योंकि all the stations are trying to participate, so collision occurred. Then I have subdivided the stations into a group, and I try to transmit my data at this slot which is slot 1, and again A and D will collide with each other because of the frames it has to transmit. Then I'll go for slot 2. How this slot 2 became, if you get collision over here, you will again subdivide that into two groups. Okay, now this small group comes into picture. So in this small group only A is there. So in slot 2, A will transmit the frame. Okay, so this side A transmitted the data. Now whenever a station from this group transmits the data, the control will go to the second group. Okay, now slot 3 here. Now slot 3 came, and again I get collision because F and G both wants to transmit the data. So now I got collision in slot 3. Now slot 4, this slot means the second subgroup of this part. So F will transmit the data. Once a station transmit the data, control will come back to the second half to this level. Now in slot 5, D will transmit the data. When this side one transmission is over, it will go to the next side, that is slot 6. G will transmit the data. I hope you understand. This particular transmissions and the navigations will occur dynamically. Okay, so limited contention protocol, very much clear to understand. It works in the structure of binary tree. Now every station will be allowed to transmit the data. If I allow all the stations and at that time only one station is having the data, then no collision will occur. But here 4 stations wants to transmit the data, and remember that here everything will be transferred in the terms of slots. So I'll give you the final output also. So slot 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So slot 0, all these stations wants to transmit. So A, D, F, G came into picture. So it got collision. And slot 1, A and D tries to send the data. So you got collision. In slot 3, A transmits the data. In slot 2, A transmits the data. When it comes to slot 3, this half, again you will get collision. Why? F and G will come into picture, so collision. And then in slot 5, F will be transmitted. And then in slot 5, D will be transmitted. And in the slot 6, G will be transmitted. So this is how information will be transmitted using limited contention protocols. Thank you.